Welcome to Talking eBay, and if you saw my video about different tools that I use for eBay, this is one of them here. Watch this video. I'm going to show you a little bit about this tool. I think it's fantastic. Let's get to the video.
Tool that cuts cardboard. Let's take a quick look at it right here. Let's do the unboxing and take a look at it. I ordered this online. I saw the demonstration of it and I wanted to pick this up for myself. So it's made by Works, W-O-R-X, Works I guess that's called, and it's called the Zip Snip. So what is the Zip Snip? Well, the Zip Snip is basically a cutting tool, okay, a rotary cutting tool for basically cardboard, any type of material that you want to cut without a scissors. Scissors can be very annoying, especially if you have arthritis or you have issues cutting packages with the scissors. It can be difficult, especially cardboard. So I do a lot of work with cardboard, I do a lot of shipping, and I wanted to get something that looks really kind of cool and different, and it's rechargeable, it's battery operated, but what's good about it, it's safe, you can't hurt yourself when it's working. I'll show you that in a second, I'll demonstrate it in a minute. And also it's portable, so you can take it with you and you can use it, so when you're cutting cardboard, you can cut it straight across. If you're cutting packages, it does come with a charging cable here. So it wasn't just so a couple quick things here. Information here was kind of sparse. There wasn't a lot of information in the packaging. It wasn't very clear. It just gave a basic description what was included in the package. The print was very small, hard to see. That was a downfall. It didn't give any information on how long it takes to charge the battery or how long the battery lasts with operation. So I got to do some more research on that. But everything, as you can see, is very tiny. So they have to work on that. It does have a 3-year warranty that does come with it here. So you see that comes in it. I ordered this right from the manufacturer. And also it comes with a warranty card that you have to fill out. So do that when you get it. So the cool idea behind this is, and I'll show you. So it's a simple charging cable that comes with it. You have to use a branded charging cable, and this looks like a USB charger. In the back of it, you just plug this in the back here, like this here. Then you plug it in the wall and you charge it. So when you first plug it in, it turns red, and when it's charged, it turns green. So those are the two, and I just want to show you exactly what I mean about charging it. Just want to show it to you. So when you first plug it in here, I already charged this up, as you can see, but you'll see when you first plug it in here, if I can get this. So it's red, so I'm sure you can see that's red, and within a few minutes it will turn green because I already did charge it up. It was already fully charged it. When you do get it, I definitely recommend fully charging it, but when it is charged, this will turn green, just so you know. So I just want to make that clear to you. That's how that charges. So it's real simple, real easy to use. Again, I don't know how long it lasts. I don't know how long it takes to charge. It doesn't give you a lot of information in the box, but it does have a 3-year warranty, so hopefully that does stand up with it as well. I'll leave a link down below as well where you can pick up yours. I'll leave a link in the description right below. You can see that. So click on that link. It is an affiliate link, just so you know. So I do get a small commission if you do decide to purchase this. No cost to you, of course. This is just for me, just demonstrating and showing some of the products, and this is how it helps support my channel, and I appreciate that as well. Also, if you want to support my channel, don't forget to hit that notification button and that bell, and also subscribe. That does help me as well. Okay, let's get into the demonstration. Okay, so here it is right here. This is the Zip Snip, like I was telling you. I did the unboxing, you saw all that. So how this works, basically, this cuts cardboard, and I'll give you an example here. So here's some cardboard here. This is pretty thick stuff. So instead of using a standard scissors, and I'll show you here. Okay, scissors, you really got to work at it, and then it gets in the way, and you can't go further, and then you got to start bending it down. You know what I'm talking about, guys, right? The pain in the neck. So if you're cutting cardboard and you're doing some trim work or opening up packages or doing anything like that, this thing looks cool. I saw the demonstration online. I wanted to pick it up myself and show you how this works. So check this out. Okay, you can continue going down continuously. This is just like a little saw, but just for cardboard, paper, plastic packages, opening up packages. This thing is awesome. All right. Check this out. This thing, isn't that? Look at this. That is just like a saw for cardboard. This thing is fantastic. So say you want to cut out a little piece of cardboard right here. Here's a little small piece I want to cut out. Boom. There it is. All right. That is awesome. Check this out. That is so cool. This thing is fantastic. I'm serious. Look at this. Watch this. All right. Now let's do 2 pieces of cardboard. I want to see, again, I don't know the best how this works, the best how far it goes in. Okay, here's 2 pieces of cardboard, and that's pretty thick. I mean, I don't think you're gonna get too much thicker than that. That's serious cardboard right there. Let's just see if this works. Yep, 2 pieces of cardboard. A little tough to get through because I'm holding it, but yes, 2 pieces of cardboard. It does cut through that. So it'll pretty much cut through pretty much anything as thick as I'd imagine as this opening would be. It is safe, like I said here, so you can't
You can't hurt yourself. So this is really nice now. Really nice product. I use this for all my eBay packages. So every time I make an eBay box or I customize a box, like you saw in my tutorial about all different tools that I use, this is really essential tool. So if you're doing anything with eBay or any kind of shipping at all with eBay, this is definitely a tool to customize your boxes. So if you're making a custom box, this is it to use, guys. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I showed you a little bit about this zip tool I use part of my arsenal in my packaging and my shipping on Talking eBay. So I appreciate it as always. And if you enjoyed the tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me and helps other people find this channel. So hit that like button, share, and everybody learns. Appreciate your time. I'll see you at the next one.